If you have a 99 or older Harley and you want to use one of the newer style taillights, like our Custom Dynamics taillight or our ProBEAM taillight, and it won't work on your bike, we have a solution for you. This is our base plate that you can put on your bike, and it will allow one of the newer style taillights to mount to it. So it comes with all the hardware to mount this, even the screws to mount your new taillight on there. So you simply just remove your old base plate, and it comes with the adapter. This you will have to splice in 2 wires, so very simple to do, ground lug here. And once you do that, now your new taillight becomes plug and play. So you put your new base plate on, wire it up, and you're ready to go with whatever new taillight you want from Custom Dynamics. And now it's all plug and play, so just plug it in. And I'll just show you here, and mount it right up, put your screws in, and you're ready to go, plug and play. So there's 2 part numbers. There's a chrome and a black. The chrome is 2010-1419, and the black is 2010-1418. They both retail for $39.95. And then we have an optional integrated harness. If you want to use one of our integrated taillights, the ProBEAM integrated taillight, it will require 1 extra part, and that is our 2120-1074 for $24.95. Again, that's only for use with the integrated turn signals ProBEAM taillight.